How to get Decal ID in Roblox Mobile. So first open up your browser, then go to the Roblox website. Once you're here, just click on continue in browser at the bottom. Then wait for it to load. Then simply click on the create option here at the top. Once you're here, click on the menu icon on the top left corner just besides the home. Then click on Creator Hub. Click on Store. Then wait for it to load. Once you're here, click on the menu icon on the top left corner again. Then click on Images right here. And once it's all loaded up, you can now pick any image that you want. So let's say I want to pick this one. Just simply click on that. And once you're here on the page of the image, just simply click on your address bar. Then hover to the right side of the address bar right here. So once you see these groups of numbers, you simply need to copy it. So copy. Now you could paste it wherever you want. You'd also save it to your notes and stuff. That's how you basically get the Decal ID in Roblox Mobile.